right, so you're thinking of moving to Medford or Marlton in a 55 and over community? That's exactly what we're going to cover in today's video. We're going to show you a few different neighborhoods and a few different price ranges so you can see what you get for your money. All right, we're here in Marlton in Evesham Township. We are in the Village Green subdivision, 55 and over. It was built in the late 90s to the early 2000s. HOA fee can be anywhere from the 130s into the 160s per month. We have a couple active in the low to mid 600s. Solds are anywhere from 400 all the way to the 600s. So as you can see, nice neighborhood. We're gonna drive you around and show you a bunch more. All right, so we're here in Marlton, which is part of Evesham Township. We are in Legacy Oaks, 55 and over. The HOA fee is about $160 a month. Square footage can be anywhere from 1,800 all the way up to almost 2,800. It was built in 2002 to about 2005. Recent sales are all the way up to high 600s. So as you can see, nice street, and we're gonna drive you around, show you a little bit more. All right, so we're here in Evesham, which is Marlton, in Sharps Run. This is 55 and over. The HOA fee is about $150 a month. Square footage can be up to about 2,500. We have one under contract right now for the high 500s, and the neighborhood was built in about 2008. So as you can see, nice neighborhood. We're gonna drive you around, show you a little bit more. All right, so we're here in Medford. This stop is called Heritage, 55 and over. The HOA fee is about $200 a month. Square footage can be anywhere from 1,200 all the way up to almost 2,000. It was built from 2015 to about 2019. Actives right now, we have one at 579 and one at 619,000. Recent sales are all in the low 600s. So as you can see, nice neighborhood. We're gonna drive you around, show you some of the street. All right, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in South Jersey, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know every time we shoot updated information about South Jersey. My name is Matt Curcio with Curcio Partners at Real Broker. We get calls and messages every day from people like you looking to make their move in the South Jersey market, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 5 days or 5 months, give us a call, send us an email or a text. All our information is in the description below.